गोविंदा गोविंदा। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणम। So, 27th chapter beginning. Ityukta सीतया घोरं राक्षस्य क्रोधमूर्छिताः काश्चित् जग्मुस्तदाख्यातुं रावणस्य दुरात्मनः ततः सीतामुपागम्य राक्षसो भीमदर्शनाः पुनः परुषमेकार्थम् अनर्थार्थमथाब्रुवन् अध्येदानीं तवानार्ये सीते पापविनिश्चये राक्षसो भक्षयिष्यन्ति मां समेदत्यथा सुखम् सीतां ताभिरनार्याभिः दृष्ट्वा सन्तर्जितां तदा राक्षसी त्रिजटावृद्धा प्रबुद्धा वाक्यमब्रवीत् आत्मानं खादता नार्या न सीता भक्षयिष्यत् जनकस्य सुताविष्टां स्नुषां दशरथस्य च. Don't know who she is. Don't torture her anymore because you will be punished. I have seen a beautiful dream and I see our dear Sita is Mahalakshmi herself and she is united with Rama who is Lord Narayana. And so you all stop torturing her. She is narrating her dream. So, युक्ताम्बाजी सहस्रेण स्वयमास्थाय राघवः शुक्लमाल्याम्बरधरो लक्ष्मणेन समागतः स्वप्ने चाद्य मया दृष्टा सीता शुक्लाम्बरावृता सागरेण परिक्षिप्तं श्वेतपर्वतमास्थिता रामेण संगता सीता भास्करेण प्रभायता राघवश्च पुनः दृष्टः चतुर्दण्डं महागजम् आरूढः शैलसङ्काशं चकास सह लक्ष्मणः ततस्तु सूर्यसङ्काशौ दीप्यमानौ स्वतेजसा शुक्लमाल्याम्बरधरो जानकीं पर्युपस्थितौ ततस्तस्य नगस्याग्रे शाखाशस्तस्य दन्तिनः. 14 years of adversity Ramachandra Prabhu has faced. There's always going to be a positive outcome. भगवान के घर में देर है अंधेर नहीं, right? So things may take time, but there is always light at the end of the tunnel. So Trijata is saying, you may think right now Sita Mata is all alone here, etc. But I see Sri Rama is coming and he's shining with white silk robes, with white garlands, and is coming in elephants which have 4 tusks. And then they are on top of a white mountain. And even Lakshmana Swami is also shining like the sun. And all of them are so effulgent. And Rama helps take the hand of Sita and help her on the top of the elephant. And all of them are seated on the elephant and are looking so beautiful and shining like the sun and the moon. And our Sita Mata is on the lap of her husband. Like this, आरु शुक्लमाल्याम्बरधरो जानकीं पर्युपस्थितौ यदस्तस्य नगस्याग्रे शाखाशस्तस्य दन्तिनः. Bhartra, the mountain very top இருக்கு, and as though the elephant is just in middle of the space like that. The white elephant, white mountain, white red dresses of Rama with white garlands, and all are shining. Bhatra parigrihitasya Janaki skandamashritā Bhatturanga samutpatya Tathak kamala lochana Chandra suryo maya drishta Panibhyam parimarjati Tadastabhyam kumarabhyam Aastitasta gajottamah Sitaya cha vishalakshya Lankaya uparistitah. Bhartra parigrihitasya Janaki skandamashritā Bhatturanga samutpatya Tathak kamala lochana Chandra suryo maya drashta Panibhyam parimarjati Tadastabhyam kumarabhyam Aastitasya gajottamah Sitaya cha vishalaksha Lankaya uparistitah. Looks Trijata is so bhagyavan to get Bhagavan in the dream like this. Again and again different visions of Rama, Sita, Lakshmana. How much bhagyam it is to see Bhagavan in the dream like this, so clearly, right? So again she is telling in another, like in a kind of the dream changes, and now Sita, Rama, Lakshmana again beautifully dressed in white robes with white garlands and shining like the sun and the moon. They appear in Lanka, and then they appear in a chariot which is drawn by white bullocks. And so again another vision she is getting. So ततस्ताभ्यां कुमाराभ्याम् आस्थितः स गजोत्तमः सीतया च विशालाक्ष्या लङ्काया उपरि स्थितः पाण्डुरशवयुक्तेन रथेनाष्टयुजा स्वयं इहोपयात काकुत्स्थः सीतया सह भार्यया पाण्डुरशभयुक्तेन रथेनाष्टयुजा स्वयं इहोपयात काकुत्स्थः सीतया सह भार्यया शुक्लमाल्याम्बरधरो लक्ष्मणेन सह गतः तदो अन्यत्र मया दृष्टो रामः सत्यपराक्रमः शुक्लमाल्याम्बरधरो लक्ष्मणेन सह गतः तदो अन्यत्र मया दृष्टो रामः सत्यपराक्रमः लक्ष्मणेन सह भ्रात्रा सीतया सह वीर्यवान् आरुह्य पुष्पकं दिव्यं विमानं सूर्यसन्निभम् लक्ष्मणेन सह भ्रात्रा सीतया सह वीर्यवान् आरुह्य पुष्पकं दिव्यं विमानं सूर्यसन्निभम्. Rama Sita coming in chariots drawn by 8 white bulls, and then all of them shining and appearing in Lanka suddenly. Then now Bhagavan is another vision she's getting where all of them are mounted on the Pushpaka Vimana and flying in the northern direction. So different visions she's getting all together. Sita, Rama, Lakshmana. So here that's this shloka. लक्ष्मणेन सह भ्रात्रा सीतया सह वीर्यवान् आरुह्य पुष्पकं दिव्यं विमानं सूर्यसन्निभम् उत्तरादिशमालोक्य प्रस्थितः पुरुषोत्तमः एवं स्वप्ने मया दृष्टो रामो विष्णुपराक्रमः लक्ष्मणेन सह भ्रात्रा सीतया सह भार्यया न हि रामो महातेजाः शक्यो जेतुं सुरासुरैः राक्षसैर्वापि चान्यैर्वा स्वर्गपापजनैरिव रावणश्च मया दृष्टो मुण्डस्तैलसमुच्छिदाः. Northern direction towards Ayodhya. So ellame future is coming. So Trijata is narrating all the future incidents. So and then Hanumanji will narrate all the past katha to Sita Mata, and then the 58th chapter will narrate all the events of Sundarakanda. Like that, when we read Sundarakanda, we are reading entire Ramayana, because the past will come, the current events will come, and the future events will also come. So reading Sundarakanda is equal to reading entire Ramayana Chulva. So here she's already seeing the future. Rama, Lakshmana, Sita are united and going towards Ayodhya, and then Ravana is going to hell for all his sins, and how he is like kind of going through all the papa karma by being drenched in oil and becoming a confused person and drunken person with all bad decorations, everything. Those are all described in this one. Ravanascha maya drishto mundastaila samuchidaha raktavasa pibanmaddaha हरवीरकृतस्रजः विमानात् पुष्पकादध्य रावणः पतितक्षितौ क्ष्यमाणस्त्रिया मुण्डो दृष्टकृष्णाम्बरः पुनः रथेन करयुक्तेन रक्तमाल्यानुलेपनः पिबं स्थैलं हसन्नृत्यन् भ्रान्तचित्ताकुलेन्द्रियाः गर्धभेन ययौ शीघ्रं दक्षिणां दिशमास्थिताः. No, that's what we learned from Bhagavad Gita, right? So every karma we do will give the next body for the next birth. So that's why when we see Rama, of course our Bhagavan is Bhagavan, but for everyone, if there is these are all alankara which are tamasic nature, red kind of sandalwood. Sandalwood is nice and orangish yellow color with a beautiful fragrance, and Guruvayurpan is wearing. And in Guruvayur they give small dot in the hand, and we put this amazing sandalwood in Kerala. So that is the divine fragrance. But Ravana is also wearing sandalwood, but it is red color. He's wearing red color clothes, red color garland, red color, and all looking very scary to look at. So he will give fear to others because he has fear inside, his chitta bhranti. So all this bhranta, chitta, kuli, indriya, the indriyas are all confused, his mind is confused, indriyas are not working, and he's having fear. So our karma decides all this. If we are of sattvic nature means we should have done some good more and more and more. Then the mind becomes in the sattva guna. Yesterday I learnt in Pravachan by Gadadharji that Jaya Vijaya were cursed by Sanakadi Rishi, and they were only born as Hiranyaksha, Hiranyakashipu, Ravana, Kumbhakarna, Shishupala, Dantavaktra. So the Jaya Vijaya, when they did apachara to Sanakadi Rishi, they said you have Durgunam, Rajoguna, Tamoguna are there. So you don't deserve to be in Vaikunta, so you have to be born in the earth. So the Rajoguna and Tamoguna take birth. And so they are in this having intense anger, lust, and hatred and fear, and creating fear for others. So all this, the gunas, the guna we should have is creating our external nature. So that is very subtle. We have to go deeper to see what type of guna am I developing each day. So Gadadharji is explaining the guna took bodies as angry Hiranyaksha, angry Hiranyakashipu, hating Bhagavan and having enmity to all the good practices and stopping all dharma, etc. Right? So, same with Ravana, the anger and the lust and all the injustice did to Mother Sita, to Bhaktas, that only gives him this punishments like the red color sandalwood, red color body, and body bathed in, drenched in oil, and chariot drawn by donkeys, etc. So the guna has to become pure. Our body becomes pure. The external body also, the internal mind is giving the external appearance also. So all of the Indian women, they are like Sita Mata, so gentle and chaste women. When they dress up, it looks very nice, and you can tell this mommy is so pious, like that. You can tell by the face. And we see all the Indian ladies doing in satsang and all, how much they do seva. And then when you see their face itself, you see this mommy, I need blessing, like that you will feel, right? So the satsang women are like that. They're even though they may not be so beautiful figure like the models, but they have that tej in the face, and you could see the sadhana that they have done. So when we see, when they apply kajal, it looks beautiful, even though they are 67, 65-year-old mommies with kajal and jimiki, it looks nice. But when beautiful American lady on TV wearing beautiful kajal, jamta nahi hai. I couldn't see. Why? Because our kind of skin and complexion, everything, kajal and henna look nice. But when Americans same way, jamta nahi, I thought, like, because our ladies, our Sita Mata, they are all Amsha. Our Sita Mata, our dress panna, it looks so beautiful. If you see another lady with short hair with kajal, it doesn't look so nice for me. Our women, amazing. Our Indian women and our Indian way of dressing, adallam, it gives auspicious features, So what guna we have inside is what is coming as our bodies outside. So Ravana, when the Rajoguna and Tamoguna only took birth as Ravana and Kumbhakarna. So Ravana, he has all the tapas, but all the negative energy is there. So he is going to have all the description for him. With he's in a confused that the first thing that will come, if you are against Bhagavan, our mind will be like a confused person. There'll be more fear, there'll be more conflict, all within inside. Why a person is having? Because some point they have been, in opposite way of our true Swarupa. Our Swarupa is love to Bhagavan. Our true Swarupa is love and affection and kindness and gratitude and helpfulness. When we move away from all this, then we have taken some shortcut paths, and then that only comes and affects us. and so there is, confusion and conflict and anger, etc. So Ridan is showing. So the chitta will become confused means we have to help the person by doing good. If we have such people in our circle, we have to more chant more nama to help them, to lift them. Oh, that's the only way. The nama to purify them and raise them. Like that, the chitta has become மலினமாயிடுது. அதனால பிராந்த சித்தா குலேந்திரியா, otherwise Ravana is in control, authority person, always, having his way in everything. Now why it have happened like this? Because now the sins have taken, fructified, all the sins he have to face. So he is now in a state of confusion and bhayam and anger, and so that is what this sloka, his appearance in the dream for Trijata is like this. Vibham stailam hasan nrityan bhranta chitta kulendriyah gaddabena yayo shigram dakshinam rishamastitah. Then punareva maya drushto ravano rakshaseshwarah patito vakshina bhumau gaddavad bhayamohita. Bhayam, moham, krodham, kama, all this, because of we have gone away from Bhagavan in some way. We have hurt either Bhagavan or his people, and so we have to face, we have cheated, hurt other people. So we have to face all this in a next body. Again, Bhagavan gives chance. Try harder this time, like this. So then we have to become purer and purer. The easiest way to get pure, go to stand in front of Guruji. With one glance, he cleans our screen. Our Vivekananda Swami says, suppose there is a screen and between you and me, and then there is a small hole only in the screen, and with that hole I'm seeing you through the hole. I cannot see you clearly. I cannot see you clearly because the screen is there and only small opening is there. I could not see. Then when the opening is becoming more and more and more, then I can see you clearly. Like that, our screen of Maya is, covering us from Bhagavan, and so with every satsang, with every nama, the whole is becoming more and more and expand. The screen is becoming clearer and clearer. So we are getting more energy from Bhagavan, direct energy from Bhagavan. That is how we become pure. All this chitta shuddhi has to happen. Then only our satsang has attained success. Satsang, why we are coming means our chitta shuddhi has to come day by day. We are cleansing. Just like having oil bath for hair and cleansing our body, like that. Mind clean பண்ணிண்டே இருக்கிறது, and the easy way is stand in front of Guruji. If not, then go long distance and do Parayana, putting Guruji picture. Otherwise, but we have to get cleansed. Then only the benefit of satsang will come. The true benefit. Yesterday, beautiful story also I heard. Swami Vivekananda is living in utter poverty, and he some friends of his tell him, hey, you have great Guru Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, why don't you go tell him to make your life better, ask him to help you. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa கேட்கலாமேன்னு. அப்போ விவேகானந்தா, okay, I will ask. Actually, he went to Ramakrishna and said, my family is struggling, why don't you help me? Ramakrishna Parama, he's telling Ramakrishna ji that, you can see Goddess Kali anytime. First, why don't you call her and submit my prayer to her? Ramakrishna Paramahamsa said, I'm not asking this cheap prayers to Mother Kali, but I will let you have her darshan, you ask. So then suddenly Swami Vivekananda had darshan of Mata Kali. And then the moment he saw her, he forgot his problem, and then Kali says, what boon you want, ask me. And he says, I want bhakti, jnana, vairagya. And she disappeared. Okay. Then he came back, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa said, enna kettai? I asked for bhakti, jnana, vairagya. Hey, why you told me you want money and family life, etc. Why you didn't ask? I don't know, I forgot. Okay, do it again. Don't ask me now. Again and again. So again he got darshan of Kali Mata. Again, when he comes, again he forgot. the problems, and then he has may be blessed with bhakti, jnana, vairagya. Again, he asked Ramakrishna, why you didn't ask that a real prayer? He says, I don't know, I forgot. So again, 3-4 times this happened. And then Bhagavan, இதுதான் balam of satsang, bhakti, jnana, vairagya. In the janma, whatever trial, trivial, they are not trivial, they'll go away. This is the ultimate benefit, bhakti, jnana, vairagya. அப்போ அந்த குரு என்ன பண்றார், ராமகிருஷ்ண பரமஹம்சா kind of makes him forget their problem. Mother Kali is there, he's giving chance, then why you didn't ask? It doesn't come. அப்போ கிருஷ்ணர் தான் உள்ளேந்து is making us ask the prayer. Everything Bhagavan is only doing. And so when we go in front of Guruji, we forget everything. We just stand there. We forget. So like that, விவேகானந்த சுவாமி இதுதான் கேட்டார். இப்ப எப்படி இருக்கு, என்ன புக்ஸ் எழுதியிருக்கார் சுவாமியோட. I love to read Vivekananda Swami in the plane. I will read like that. How he is able to articulate and put in words everything. What is Maya, what is Atman, what is love, what is bhakti, what are the different indriyas, how are they functioning, how is the mind functioning. All this is able to articulate and explain. So many books, so many speeches in America. How? Guru Anugraham. So Guru is kind of guiding us to say what to ask Bhagavan. So here, if we do ulta sulta work and want to get benefit, nahi hota hai. Every karma he has to fructify and we will get the correct result. Bhagavan is doing kaun puche. Bhagavan say kaun puche, right? He will do his way. So we have to come to satsang and get the real benefit, which is bhakti to Bhagavan. Bhakti, jnana, vairagya. And then again, we are learning, even though he was Ravana, even though he was controlling the elements, the wind will not blow without his consent. The fire will not, the buildings in Lanka were built of wax because the fire cannot burn them. Fire was in his control, wind was in his control, the water is in his control. This much control he had. That Ravana, one Hanumanji apachara, everything finished. So Hanumanji, when they set fire to his tail, that fire burnt all the buildings. Otherwise, Lanka would never be burnt. So Bhagavan or his Bhakta, we cannot do apachara. Otherwise, we have to face the consequence. So here, this is what Ravana, what his description is telling. Punareva maya drishto Ravano rakshaseshwaraha patito vakshina bhumo gaddabhat bhayamohidaha sahasothaya sambhrando bhayato madavihvalaha unmatta rupo digvasa durvakyam pralapan bahu durgandham dussaham ghoram timiram narakopamam malapangam pravishyashu magnastatra sa ravanaha. You can understand the meaning by reading the words. What is his state now? So Rijata is seeing the dream. All this she is telling. Sahasottaya sambhranto bhayato madavihvalaha unmatta rupo digvasa durvakyam kalapan bahu durgandham dussaham ghoram timiram narakopamam malapankam pravishyashu magnastatra saravanaha kardamaliptangi dishamya प्रकर्षति एवं तत्र मया दृष्टः कुम्भकर्णो महाबलः. Again, प्रस्थितो दक्षिणामाशां प्रविष्टो कर्दममहृदं कण्ठे बद्ध्वा दशग्रीवं प्रमदारक्तवासिनी काली कर्दमलिप्ताङ्गी दिशं याम्या प्रकर्षति एवं तत्र मया दृष्टः कुम्भकर्णो महाबलकर्णश्च प्रयातो दक्षिणां दिशम् एकस्तत्र मया दृष्टः श्वेतच्छत्रो विभीषणः शुक्लमाल्याम्बरधरः शुक्लगन्धानुलेपनः शङ्खदुन्दुभि निर्घोषैः नृत्यगीतैरलङ्कृतैः शुक्लमाल्याम्बरधरः शुक्लगन्धानुलेपनः शङ्खदुन्दुभि निर्घोषैः नृत्यगीतैरलङ्कृतः. With white dress and white garlands and all the conches are sounding, the drums are sounding and all are welcoming, and he's standing on the top of the mountain, and then he's seated on a chariot or seated on a white elephant. And not only Kumbhakarna, all the ministers, 4 ministers who went with him, they are taken. They were not questioned about their karma, etc. Ramachandra Prabhu said, Vibhishana is in and all the bhakta who followed Vibhishana come, like that. So, with Sangha we follow is important. Ravana, the leader, fell and all the people who followed him fell with him. But Vibhishana, the leader, he made it, and then all the people who followed Vibhishana, they also got the same high status. So all of them, 4 ministers changed Bhagavan. Anugram Chaturbhi Sachive, Chaturbhi Sachive Sadam, Vaihaya Samapastidave. Vibhishana Sharanagati, Gadadharji explained very beautifully. So there, Vibhishana, Kumbhakarna is understanding what is right and wrong. He is understanding that Sita Mata has to be given back. It's not correct to keep for Ravana to do that. But he is so weak that he is loyal to his brother. But sometimes the brother or the personal relationship have to be given up to do the right thing, which is Bhagavan, which Vibhishana did. Vibhishana's brother also is Ravana, but he said Bhagavan, Dharma is superior, have to go by Dharma. So, brother is Adharma, I cannot be with brother Adharma. Adhane, all the Bhakta teaches. Prahlada is saying, Appa, I'll listen to everything you say, but I cannot go against Bhagavan. Harima Shrayet. Go to the forest and take refuge in Sri Hari, right? Prahlada. Mirabai, no? She's obedient wife, everything, but when you stopping from Bhagavan, Bhagavan is first. Bharata, Kaikeyi mother than, but when she's opposing Rama, Bharata left. So, Dharmam than mela. If the personal relationships are not following Dharma, you have to be strong to let go and pursue Dharma. Dharmo rachati rakshita. Whoever for that, let the Dharma which you go after, may that Dharma itself protect you. Mother Kausalya said to Rama, right? So, Dharmo rakshati rakshita. Whoever is upholding Dharma, Dharma will protect them. Annala, Vibhishana is not seeing the relation of brother, etc. He says, Rama, Bhagavan. So, he got the Anugraham, and all the people who had faith in the Vibhishana, they also got Anugraham. That is what this one. Samajascha Mahamrito Idavaditra Niswanaha Pibata Raktamalyanam Rakchasam Raktavasasam Lankachayam Puri Ramya Savajirada Kunjara Sagare Patita Drishta Bhagna Gopura Torana Lanka Drishta Maya Swapne Ravanena Birakshida Dagdha Ramasya Dutena Vanarena Sarasvina Samajascha Mahamrito Idavaditra Niswanaha Pibata Raktamalyanam Raktasa Raktavasasa Lankachayam Puri Ramya Savajirada Kunjara Sagare Patita Drishta Bhagna Gopura Torana Lanka Drishta Maya Swapne Ravanena Virakshida Dagda Ramasya Dutena Vanarena Sarasvina. Lanka itself falling into the sea. Then in another vision I saw Lanka is being burnt by a Vanara. All this she already saw. So Vanarena, that was that shloka, Dagda Ramasya Dutena. The messenger of Rama is burning entire city of Lanka. I saw this dream. The dream she's telling. Then Pitva Tailam Brahmattascha Prasantyo Mahaswanaha Lankaya Bhasmarukshaya Sarva Rakshasayoshidaha Kumbhakarnadayascheme Sarve Rakshasa Pungavaha Raktam Nivasanam Grihya Pravishta Gomaya Haradam Pitva Tailam Pramattascha Prasantyo Mahaswanaha Lankaya Bhasmarukshaya Sarva Rakshasayoshidaha Kumbhakarnadayascheme Sarve Rakshasa Pungavaha Raktam Nivasanam Grihya Pravishta Gomaya Haradam. Like mad people, and then they are dressed in inferior way of dresses, etc., inferior quality of jewels and dresses, and then all of them are with Kumbhakarna, all of them, they are all falling in a pool of cow dung, etc. Kumbhakarna Dayascheme Sarve Rakshasa Pungava Raktam Nivasanam Grihya Pravishta Gomaya Haradam. So the outward external dressing also very, very important. So some people will have big mascara for dresses. Eppadilamo pannikira. No, like red hair or big mascara and big nails. Idella இதெல்லாம் இந்த மாதிரி ராட்சசா dresses, no? So whereas the gentle type of dressing you can see in Indian women in India, so in Chennai, so that's what I remember. So here all these people, they are all falling in a pool of cow dung, etc. Apagachada pashyadvam सीतामाप्नोति राघवः गाधयेति परमामर्षि युष्मान् सार्धं हि राक्षसैः अपगच्छत पश्यध्वं सीतामाप्नोति राघवः गाधयेत् परमामर्षि युष्मान् सार्धं हि राक्षसैः प्रियां बहुमतां भार्यां वनवासमनुव्रतां भर्त्सितां तर्जितां वापि नानुमंस्यति राघवः प्रियां बहुमतां भार्यां वनवासमनुव्रतां भर्त्सितां तर्जितां वापि नानुमंस्यति राघवः तदलं क्रूरवाक्यैश्च तान्त्वमेवाभिधीयताम् अभियाचाम वैदेहीमेतद्धि मम रोचते तदलं क्रूरवाक्यैश्च सान्त्वमेवाभिधीयताम् अभियाचाम वैदेहीमेतद्धि मम रोचते. Commenting Sita Mata, you know who she is, and and you know what our state is going to be if we don't stop all this. Therefore, stop stop harassing her. Then यस्याहेवं विदः स्वप्नो दुःखिताया प्रदृश्यते सा दुःखैर्बहुभिर्मुक्ता प्रियं प्राप्नोत्यनुत्तमम् यस्याहेवं विदः स्वप्नो दुःखिताया प्रदृश्यते सा दुःखैर्बहुभिर्मुक्ता प्रियं प्राप्नोत्यनुत्तमम् भर्त्सितामपि याचध्वं राक्षस्य किं विवक्षया राघवाद्धि भयं घोरं राक्षसानाम् उपस्थितं भर्त्सितामपि याचध्वं राक्षस्य किं विवक्षया राघवाद्धिभयं घोरं राक्षसानामुपस्थितं प्रणिपात प्रसन्ना हि मैथिली जनकात्मजा अलमेषा परित्रातुं राक्षस्यो महतो भयात् प्रणिपात प्रसन्ना हि मैथिली जनकात्मजा अलमेषा परित्रातुं राक्षस्यो महतो भयात् परित्रातुं राक्षस्यो महतो भयात्. It whether some sequence may be different, it's okay. Yeah. So yeah, Sitamapi Yachadvam Rakshasya Kim Vivakshaya. Do not torture Sita Mata because she's going to be united with Rama, who is Lord Narayana himself, and all the Rakshasas are in grave danger from Sri Rama's anger now. So stop harassing her, and then even now if you stop, she will give abhayam, she will give us protection, which is what we see later when Hanumanji is announcing Sri Rama's victory to Sita Mata and saying, Mata, Ravana has been killed and our Rama is ready to invite you back. Now just tell me, give me one more work. Can I just go and crush these Rakshasis and hurt her the same way, hurt them the same way that they did to you? Can I crush them and hit them and bite them and attack them? Sita Mata says they were just doing their boss's work. No, they are innocent. Don't punish them. So Sita Mata or Vatsalya Bhava, she won't look at our right or wrong. You just stand in front of her and she will forgive us. She'll forgive you even now. The Jata is telling, even though you did all this, Bhagavan will not forgive when his bhakta is attacked. But Sita Mata, she bore all this insult and day by day, and yet she is saying, Vittudu, and அவளுக்கு கூட bless பண்றோம். So that Sita Mata oda Vatsalya Bhava never compared to even more than Rama. She is the one having more karuna. We need Sita Mata's grace seriously. Sita Mata is so quiet and hiding from us. No, if with her grace only we can get grace of Lord Rama. அதனால it's very very kind of it will fool us sometimes. We'll say Krishna, 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 Krishna. But until we get Radha's grace, we cannot really understand and get close to Krishna. First, Krishna is as though allowing us, but and he is the one who is showing Radha, and then Radha is again showing us Krishna. Appo innum intense agum. So even though from childhood I said Guru Arpa, Guru Arpa, Guru Arpa, I never said Lakshmi Mata or Sita Mata. இப்போ தெரியறது சீதா மாதா கிரேஸ் இல்லாம ராம அனுகிரா we cannot get. We cannot get பூர்ணமா. Little we get. But Sita Mata, now Hanumanji is telling, I came to search for you, but until you decide to reveal yourself, how can I find you? right? Hanumanji went through those chapters of depression that he couldn't find her even. He thought I could see, I can do it, my effort. No, by her effort, by her, she's so soft and gentle and hiding. So until she allows herself to be seen, Hanumanji could not see her. So அது மாதிரி தான் நம்மளுக்கு சீதா மாதாவோட டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனே கிடைக்கிறது இல்லை. ராமாயணா full you will read. Only in Sundarakanda we get Sita Mata's side of the story. We got little bit glimpse in Atri Anasuya, when Anasuya Mata is blessing Sita Mata in Ayodhya Kanda, last chapter you will see Sita Mata narrating her marriage incidents, etc. to Anasuya and blesses her. So we get little bit story of Sita Mata. Otherwise, we never get Sita story except in Sundarakanda. So the Sundarakanda so auspicious. But Ramayana would song Sitaya Charitam Mahadidi Prajeta Sapradide. It is Sita or Charitram. It's all about Sita. But she's hiding. No? So அது மிஸ் ஆயிடும் நம்மளுக்கு. I say Rama, Rama, Hanuman, Hanuman, everything. But who is hiding? Sita Mata. Anala, now we should remember her more. So she's telling Pranipada Prasannahi ஒரே ஒருக்கா நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணோடு. Just தெரியாம விழுந்தோடு. Even if you by mistake you fell and somehow the head was turned towards her feet, she'll bless. That's all. Not by effort எடுத்து brain mind with trailing the mind to do it, etc. Not even needed. Just by mistake, accidentally, I put Gokul and I put him in front of Mata. That's all we need. That's all, right? So, Pranipata Prasanna, she will not judge. She will not see what good you have done or what wrong you have done. She is the only one. Unconditional love as the mother. No matter how the bad the child is, the mother says, my child, how much she cares, right? Like that is Sita Mata for all of us. So she's telling, Pranipada Prasannahi, Maithili Janagatmaja, Alamesha Paritradum, Aktasyo Mahato Bhayate, Abhichasya Vishalaksha, Tekinji Rupalakshaye, Nirupam Apichangeshu, Susukshmam Api Lakshanam, Apichasya Vishalaksha, Tekinji Rupalakshye, Nirupam Apichangeshu, Susukshmam Api Lakshanam, Chaya Vaigunymatram tu, Shanke Dukkham Upasthitam, Adukkarhamimam Devim, Vaihaya Samupasthitam, Chaya Vaigunymatram tu, Shanke Dukkham Upasthitam, Adukkarhamimam Devim, Vaihaya Samupasthitam. अर्थसिद्धिं तु वैदेह्या पश्याम्यहमुपस्थिता राक्षसेन्द्र विनाशं च विजयं राघवस्य च अर्थसिद्धिं तु वैदेह्या पश्याम्यहमुपस्थिता राक्षसेन्द्र विनाशं च विजयं राघवस्य च तु श्रोतुमस्या महत्प्रियं दृश्यते च स्फुरच्चक्षुः पद्मपत्रमिवायदम् निमित्तबोधमेदतु श्रोतुमस्या महत्प्रियं दृश्यते च स्फुरच्चक्षुः पद्मपत्रमिवायदम् ईषद्दि हृषितो वास्या दक्षिणाया ह्यदक्षिणः अकस्मादेव वैदेह्या बाहुरेकः प्रकम्पदे आसि ईषद्दि ह्यशितो व्यास्वास्य दक्षिणाया ह्यदक्षिणः अकस्मादेव वैदेह्या बाहुरेक प्रकम्पते. Just say sorry, today I did this mistake, sorry. Just do Sharanagati and let it out and then don't think about it. I'm telling Guru Arpan these days, always two type of thoughts come. Nalladu varum kattadu varum nee nalladu maattu eduthukanum Guru Arpan. I'm telling, seriously. Just ignore my bad thought Guru Arpan. Only good. அப்ப எனக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கு. ஏன்னா நானே என்ன டார்ச்சர் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். என் பேட் திங்க் பண்ண right? Why are you thinking bad? I'm trying to correct myself inside. I said, that person, please keep quiet. Don't bother. I told Guru, already told Krishna, only take my good thought. Ignore my bad thought. No? Then I don't have to worry. Why am I always examining and correcting myself and torturing myself? Don't bother. Just say, Bhagavan, good thought are you. Please leave put the bad thought in the trash. Please don't give importance to it. Then it becomes simple. It becomes easy. Light. Become light. Like that. Means her left thigh is throbbing, and then her left thigh will be throbbing. In our Shastra, we get all this indication. Our body itself can understand the future events that is coming. If we are in tune with the divine always, we can see what is good coming, what is bad coming. And so if you see, you may get indication of bad coming, even at the time, just go chant Nama and surrender and say, please help me through this. And for me, it's many times it happens. No, then I'll say, please help me, and then it will go away. Suddenly, one cat will come and cross the road, and we get nervous, right? How much ajnanam we have, superstitions and all in our brain. So we have to clean everything. All this we have to clean now. This Janma is not for those things. We have come above all that. Now we only see love everywhere. It's only Bhagavan giving more and more. It's not what you are doing little things, but it is Bhagavan giving more and more. It's not what I do, but it is only about Bhagavan. அந்த 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 இதுல போயாச்சுன்னா ஈஸியா இருக்கு லைஃப். So don't bother about the superstition anymore. It is only giving warning. It's okay. If now it is not the time to lament about the past or worry about the future. Now it is time to enjoy and say, Bhagavan loves me, so he gave me all this. Why am I worrying? He's running my life. He's going to take care. Like that, the positive energy is coming more and more. The past few weeks, I could see, Navaha Parayanam, Rama Rajyam, Rama Lalla has been, consecrated in Ayodhya. What is there for us to have fear? Bhagavan is with us. So here, Sita Mata Ode, the left thigh is throbbing, the left eye is throbbing. She's getting auspicious omens. So, Karenu Hasta Pratimaha, Savyaschoru Anuttamaha, Vepan Katayati Vasya Raghavam Puratastidam, Karenu Hasta Pratimaha, Savyaschoruranuttamah, Vepan Katayati Vasya Raghavam Puratastidam, Pakshicha Shaka Nilayam Pravishta, Punaschotama Santvavadi, Suswagada Vacha Mudirayanaha, Punaschodayati Vakrishtaha. Pakshicha Shakanilayam Pravishta, Punaschotama Santvavadi, Suswagadam Vachamuti Dayanaha, Punaschodayati Vakrishtaha, Tadasa Hrimati Bala, Bhattur Vijaya Harshida, Ahocha Jadita Tatyam, Bhaveyam Sharanam Hivaha, Tadasa Hrimati Bala, Bhattur Vijaya Harshida, Ahocha Jadita Tatyam, Bhaveyam Sharanam Hivaha. And her left thigh and left hand and left eyelids are all throbbing, and so there is a bird in the tree which is uttering sweet chirping sounds again and again. Sita Mata, there is a story of two birds from her childhood. If anybody remembers, tell me that one. When she was playing as a little girl, she saw two sweet birds in the tree, and she is able to understand the speech of the birds. She's so highly evolved that she can understand the speech of the birds, and she loved those two birds, and she said, I want the bird. So she separated one of the birds from the other, and then that bird was aching to be joined with her with her lover, and then she separated the bird, and so she has to go through this. Napadi ஏதோ ஒரு கதையை I've heard somewhere. இத்தனைனா நம்ம ராமாயணம் படிச்சு இப்பதான் நமக்கு சீதா மாதாவோட கொஞ்சம் கிளிக் ஆகுது. ஏன்னா she's always hiding. So now only we see the importance. Sita Mata she's telling, I will protect you. I will if all the dreams about whatever you have said is coming true, I shall protect you, she's telling. So Tadasa Hrimati Bala Bhartur Vijaya Harshita Avochat Yadi Tatyam Bhaveyam Sharanam Hivaha. Sita Mata ki Jai. Gopika Jivana Smaranam Govinda Govinda Guru Jai. Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Beautiful chapter. Thank you all very much. We will continue next week.